Congrats. At this point, you found yourself a home. What it means, you got a lot of work ahead of you here for the next 5 days, but we're gonna boil it down to just a few simple steps. The very first thing that usually comes due here is earnest money. This is a portion of your down payment. Typically, you're trying to mail this or hand deliver it to whether it's the title company or the listing firm in order for them to hold it while the transaction is going on to make sure that you're gonna show good intent to close this. We're also going to be working with your lenders to get you that proof of financing, that you're actually moving forward and starting getting the ball rolling, all those different pieces. We're also going to start trying to schedule our inspection as soon as possible. There's a good chance in this market that we're going to be working with a shorter timeline than what might be typical, but know that we're going to get an inspector in there. We're going to find out if there's anything that we need to be concerned about with the property. And also, reach out to your insurance provider. At this point, if you're a renter, you might not have home insurance, and it might be a good time for you to bundle. Reach out to your insurance guy, reach out to a couple other people to compare quotes and make sure that you're getting the best rate when you bundle potentially home, auto, and other insurance policies that you might have. Now, that's a lot of things going on, but know that we're gonna get you set up and ready to go to move on to the next part of your accepted offer process.